Hey YouTube, I just wanted to share with you something. My kids and I found we were walking through a new construction site in our neighborhood. They're building all kinds of houses, and after hours we walk along the road and look at the houses going up, and just sort of talk about how they're building it and so on and so forth. And they're building pretty good quality houses. They're using plywood for the most part instead of particle board, and I'm impressed. Anyways, this was in the dumpster in front of one of the houses. Somebody had tossed out a Dewalt DCS 381. It is kind of amazing that they threw this out. It's missing the battery, and I have a feeling it's the shaft that is probably broken inside here. But if you are interested, YouTube, we will do a restoration video on this. I don't like things being in dumpsters. When they can be repaired. Not to fault the person who threw it out. They probably got really frustrated with it, I would imagine, and then they tossed it. I watched a number of repair videos on this model, and there's hope that we can fix this. And again, I don't fault the construction worker. They're very busy. They do a lot of good work, and those houses do look impressive. But this unit, if we can keep it out of the trash, that would be good. I would like to keep things out of the trash. So let's do this. Let's do a repair on this. Let's do some testing at some point and do a repair. So the next video you see might be this unit being fixed. What do you think? It's all here other than the battery. And I'm going to fish around for some batteries. Maybe some friends of mine have 20 volts that I can borrow and test this with. Anyways, yeah, stay tuned. And thank you for watching. Take care.